Welcome to week 14 of our Marketing 11 Asynchronous class. Welcome everybody. I hope everybody is doing fine. This week we have class exam 3. This week you can take it anywhere from Tuesday 25th to 30th whenever you're free. The exam will be available right here at the bottom on Tuesday, starting November 25th all the way till November 30th. Okay, and this exam covers chapters 11 through 15 from your book. So please complete your readings. And I would also suggest, because you have a break, you could also start studying for your final examinations. Okay, so class exam 3 will be held this week. Please make sure that you take the exam. There's only one attempt. It's not showing here now, but it will show up on Tuesday, November 25th. Okay. And the final exam announcements, the final exam for this marketing class will be held on December 17th at 2 p.m. Even though it's an asynchronous class, all students are required to take the exam at the exact same time, given as the time given by the registrar. If you click on this, it will take you to the BCC final exam schedule as given by the registrar. You can take a look. Your Marketing Online 57588, that's a section of this class, will be held on Wednesday 12/17 between 2 and 3:50 p.m. online. Okay. So that's the section. Your class section is given here. If you see 57588, which is on December 17th at 2 p.m. So make sure all of you are available at that time. And a Zoom link will be available for you here on that day. And the final exam will also be available here in this tab here in the final exam fall 2025 tab. Okay. All students are required to be logged into the Zoom class throughout the exam with your cameras turned on, and you are required to have a computer because you cannot take the exam on a phone or a tablet. You have to have a computer and a stable internet connection. If you have any issues with your computer or if you have problems with your internet, you're always welcome to come and take the exam on campus in any of the labs. You are free. All you need is your BCC ID. You can come into any of the labs and tell them you have an exam. They will be happy to give you a computer on any lab. You can quietly take the exam. But all of you are required to have to take the exam at the exact same time. Okay. For any reason, if you're unable to take the exam at that time, you will receive an INC grade, which is an incomplete grade. And you will be required to take the exam within the first 10 weeks of the next semester on campus. I will be proctoring the exam in person and you will be taking the exam in one of the labs. Okay, but please do try to take the final exam on 12/17 at 2 p.m. Make sure you're available, and it is a comprehensive exam covering chapters 1 through 20 from your textbook. Okay, the Zoom link and the exam link will be available here on that day. I will be taking attendance at 1:55 p.m. Please show up by that time and be ready for your final exam. Okay. If you have any conflict, meaning conflict by definition in CUNY means when you have two exams at the exact same time, please send me an email with the name of the course and the name of the faculty. I will send it over to our chair and they will find out a conflict resolution for the exam conflict. Okay. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. All your grades are almost up to date. You can check all your grades as of now. And we have your final exam, and the attendance and participation will be actually added to your final exam. Okay. So the final exam, if you take a look at the course information, the syllabi, it will tell you the assessments. Take a look at it and be prepared for your final exam. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. I'll be happy to help you. Okay. So this is week 14 of our Marketing 11 class. Once again, this week we have class exam 3. Read the instructions for your final exam and be prepared. And once again, to all of you and your families, happy Thanksgiving, and God bless you. Good luck. Good luck, everybody.